National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Houston County in Middle Tennessee, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles east of Erin, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cumberland City, Sladen, Palmyra, and Cunningham. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee, Montgomery, and Stewart. Here are some 5 p.m.